Good morning. Today's Tuesday, and today I am walking to Pontevedra. It's a 12-mile walk, and I've already been at it for about 3 miles. The climate is really comfortable. It's about 55 degrees. We're in the mountains. As you can see, we're actually in the clouds, so there's a big fog laying on the landscape. We're expected to get full sunshine this afternoon in Pontevedra, so at some point I imagine all of this fog will burn off. So yeah, we're in for hopefully a nice day. Hopefully I got an early enough start so that I'm not walking in the sun, because for me that's always problematic. And don't know what Pontevedra is all about, but I'm excited to find out. So here we go. I think I have a mile left to go, and this little river variant, the scenic route coming into town, was certainly very rewarding. It was lovely. Do have a couple things that have been on my mind on this walk, and they has to do with etiquette. And the first thing is if you have to go to the restroom on the walk, like maybe number one, get yourself well off the trail. Don't just stand on the side of the trail and go, because I've seen both genders do that today, and I was quite shocked that they're just like standing on the side of the trail, letting themselves go. So yeah, get well off the trail, well out of sight, because people don't want to see that. And then the other thing is if you're coming up behind somebody and you're on the Camino, the traditional thing, or the etiquette is to say Buen Camino as you pass them. And I've had a number of people march right past me. I didn't even know they were there. They don't say a single word. They just keep on marching by. And I mean, not that I'm really judgy about what's going on in their minds, or if they're like, I don't consider them nasty people, but it sure would have been nice to know that they were back there. And it's always the courteous thing to do is to say Buen Camino as you walk past them. So I'm just saying that if you are thinking about coming on the Camino, these are things that you might want to keep in mind. All right, so I have just a little bit left to go, and still feeling pretty good. So here we go. Well, that's it for today. It was a good day. Walked in the fog for most of the day, and then I finished it up with a nice long river walk. So definitely, if you're going to be doing this trip, for sure take that river walk variant, because it was really delightful. If I were to do it over again, I might have spent some more time in Ponte Sampaio, or even spent the night there, because it's an inlet town. And when I was there, I could see the tide shifting. I would have loved to spend more time just watching the tide either roll in or roll out, because in this part of the world, the tide change can be quite dramatic. And I always love watching that happen. Tomorrow we are walking to Cal Stare, and I hear that there are hot springs there. There's actually a place for pilgrims to go and soak their feet as they enter town. So I am definitely hitting that before I get to town tomorrow. I'm looking forward to that. But it's also a holiday, a national holiday, so I'm mildly concerned about the food situation. But honestly, there's so many pilgrims on the road right now. I can't imagine it being super challenging to find food. I just can't imagine all of the establishments would suddenly just close tomorrow because of the amount of pilgrims that are on the road right now. Other than that, it's been pretty good. I want to thank you so much for following along. If you get value from this video, if you like it, please hit that subscribe button and the like buttons, because that helps other people find it as well. And yeah, I think I just have maybe 3 or 4 more days of walking, and then I'm in Santiago. So my trip is coming to an end pretty soon. That's all for it. That's all for now. And I'm stumbling on my words, so it's time to go to bed. I'll talk to you later. Bye.